Hello, crypto enthusiasts, crypto traders, and explorers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy token or altcoin in JuleSwap. Take note, if you are going to buy altcoins or token in JuleSwap using your Trust wallet, you must have Smart Chain BNB balance. Without this Smart Chain BNB balance, you cannot buy, you cannot sell, you cannot swap, or you cannot convert your token to other token. Like for example, you want to convert your Joule to BUSD, you cannot do it without Smart Chain BNB balance. Okay, so that's number one reminder. Okay. And of course, you must have the fund that you're going to use in swapping or in buying an altcoin. As you can see, I have BUSD worth 327 US dollar. This fund, some of this fund will be used for my transaction in JuleSwap. Okay, so let's start. If you have a Trust Wallet account, just go to your Trust Wallet account and click this button, dApps. Then type juleswap.com here. But I already bookmarked the website, so I will go to bookmarks. Then look for JuleSwap, this one. You must connect your wallet. As you can see, I have the wallet address here at the lower part. You must connect it and make sure to use Smart Chain BNB, this button. You must choose Smart Chain, okay, network. And now we will start buying token or altcoin in juleswap.com. So I will click this button first to choose BUSD as my fund. Then I will look for a token or an altcoin that I want to buy. So I will be buying Tutti Frutti, the TFF token. Select token, this button, click this button to select token, then look for TFF or Tutti Frutti token. If you cannot find the token, just search the name or paste the contract address here. Just copy and paste the contract address here. But I already saw my token TFF, so I'm going to click it. Then I will decide how much I'm going to buy. I will buy worth $100. Okay, just type the amount here. Then the estimated amount of token will display here. Then click swap, this button. Accept, just accept. Then confirm swap. I will be charged 0.49 cents. Then click approve. Authentication required. Transaction submitted. Close. Okay, I already have the total balance of 970 TFF or Tutti Frutti token. Then I will go back to my main dashboard of my Trust Wallet account. Click this wallet button. refresh, then scroll down. Okay, I have the Tutti Frutti balance here. So that's it. If you like the video, if you want more video, just click subscribe and click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.